All right, guys. We're going to talk about VR in Allegro PCB design. Anything related to VM. First of all, the VR will come under paths category. So, the best idea to organize the files is to have a paths folder under your working directory. This is my working directory. I have all the paths stored over here, and um, footprints stored over here, and these footprints use paths from here, everything from here, and they are linked to this directory from the project. If you go to where is that? I forgot. Setup, user preferences, paths, library, paths. So this is where the paths folder, which I just shown, is linked. Very important. And similarly for the footprint, this is where it is, footprint, right? Same working directory. So, and even for the schematic library, have it all here. uh, yeah, so very important, I would say. Not yeah, important, I would say, to organize the files well, to use it in the future, you know. And I think I've shared another video as well, in case if you lost these files, how to regenerate all of them. There's possibility. It's very simple, straightforward. I'm going to link the video in the description below. So for today, yeah. Um, okay. So right now, by default, there are some VIAs which Allegro includes. Um, so I've just included some few VIAs that I thought of making. So let's say if I start routing this part right here, I'm going to route from top to, let's say, layer 3. Okay. And uh, no VS available. Why is that? Anyway, yeah. So oops, let's cancel this. Let's click the route again. Top to power. Top to, okay. And so these are the three VS which I was talking about. Let's say this. I'm going to choose this sphere right here, which is 2 mm, and we can place here, and done with this. So this sphere, okay, I can check the elements right here as well. Right click, so element. So as you can see, this is the view that I'm using, and it's located right here. Yeah, cool. And the list of view that we were using, which was there were three views, right? We can check them, or we can include new views or modify even. So let me first show you the list of view that we need to include. So if you go to physical in the constraint manager, if you click the all layers, this is, if you just click here, this is where you can add. These are the lists you can add. Or I'm going to show one. I'm going to create one new via, and we're going to add. I'm going to create a 2.5 diameter via, and I'm going to add here as well. And if you want to modify right here, like let's say for example, if you want to change something on the via 2 mm via that we already have, this one, we can quickly go here, and then patch stack, modify via, modify patch, and then what was the name of this via? Yeah, this is the one. I'm gonna open it right here, and let's say if I change this to this is 2 mm, right? I made it intentionally wrong so that we can just to make it obvious, let's make it say 0.1. Okay. Uh, what else we can and even let's say let's reduce this as well, 0.2, right? Control copy 2, 2, 2, 2, and finally we could have changed this for everything, 0.2. Yeah, so that's what we have. This would be 0.2 now. Okay, I think we did something wrong here. What did we do? Okay, offset. Done. Offset now. All right, so this is what we have. I'm gonna save this, close it, and done. I'm gonna go to place, update symbols. First. Yep. And anyway, let me do the routing again. I was not sure the changes. I'm sure it changed, but I'm gonna route it again from top to 3 to 11. Okay, let's place it right there. Yeah, as you can see, already updated, right? Okay, so now yeah, that's how you can change if you want to change anything right here. Now if I want to design a new via and my via is constrained by my previous design, for example, I have design here right here which has point 0.2 via and I want to match it more or less the same. As you can see, it's like 0.25 and real symbol, dual offset, and then we have 0.508 as the regular pad size. Of course, there will be no mask layer or any paste, none for every mask layers. I'm gonna save. Okay, before closing. Yeah, so 0.25 mm, right? So I'm gonna close this. So this is one of the constraints that I have, and hence GLC PCB is the one that I'm targeting. We should always think from manufacturer point of view. At the end of the day, these are the possible minimum via hole size that they are capable of. So as per the hole size changes, the cost will vary as well. Yeah, I'm gonna choose this as this is the minimum via size that we're gonna have in the board, and this satisfies our via size as well, which was how much, 0.2. Again. We're gonna check this again. I'm gonna make it same. Yeah, so 0.25 is chosen. Now I'm gonna create copy, paste. I'm gonna rename it as 2.5, 2p5. Okay, let's remove this mm, not necessary. Yeah, so it's very important to place the pads files under these pads. Let's linked. All right. So the trail size, I'm going to put the trail size as per um, this design right here. Um, this is standard via. The name of this via standard via. Edit. Um, drill. This is in mil. So I'm going to change to millimeter. 0.254. Yeah, so 0.25. And I'm going to make this as 0.5. All right. Nope. Okay, cool. So that was the criteria. 2 mm 2p5. This is the one. Yep. So 2.5. Cool. Second, the drill node, drill symbol V2p5. Okay, let this be V. It's okay. Okay, and let's change this to square. Not diamond. Fine. And offset no design layer. That should be 0.5. Control A, copy, paste, paste. Right, so we have the mask layer none, which is alright. Okay, I'm gonna save this, close it, minimize this, close this as well. Alright, so now if we want to route using the via, I won't see the via immediately unless I have to add this via, right? So let me place all of them side by side. So this is our via, and this is some other via, and where is that? And this is the one 1 millimeter via. And finally, let's add the via that we just designed. Yeah, so constraint manager and go to physical and all layer, and here we're gonna search for yeah 2.5 TLC. Yeah, just double click. You can see it goes from all top to bottom layer, as you can see. Close it, done. Okay, I'm gonna route it again here, bring it down here. Didn't I add it properly? Yes. Okay, seems I didn't add it properly. Yep. Okay. All right. So let me continue the routing again. Yep. Here it is. This right here. Done. So these are the PS. This is the one that I'm going to use finally as per the previous design constraints, uh, and this um, GLC PCB manufacturing capability. Mm, save it. Yes. In fact, this is a minimum, right? I can go even bigger. So you can choose 0.15 and make point 0.2 and use 0.25 via, right? So point 0.2 and 0.25, I don't see any difference. So when I order, I'm going to choose this so that we have some room. So it's $1 difference, as you can see here. Yeah. Okay, let's see the 3D view quickly. All right. Um, View camera top. Let's remove all the symbols. Okay, here it is. Yep. This doesn't look 0.1. Wait. Mm, Five years. Um, okay, so this that we added. So element tool, right? So manufacture tools, patch stack, place. Hold. Wait. Yeah, yeah, we need to do this. Otherwise, won't get updated, right? Very important. Okay, this won't get refreshed automatically, so I need to. Select it on the VR. Okay, move the top. Yep, that's it. Um, yeah, so layer one, dielectric, layer two, spacing as you can see here. And cool, we are done. So that's all. This is all regarding VS. What else do I have in mind? Yeah, so don't forget to uh, replace and update the symbols at the end of the day, like and update the paths as well. I mean, replace or refresh should be good enough. refresh all patch stack refresh, right? So it should refresh whatever changes that you did um, automatically. Um, yeah, as you can see, it got yeah, this was refreshed earlier already. So yeah, that's all for VS. Ciao, guys.